Welcome back. We are now within our automation screen where we want to create a follow-up email. What we have now done is we have set up so that all of the subscribers that join a specific list, they're going to be sent a welcome email. What we want to do now is we want to make sure that they receive another email after a certain period of time has passed. So we're going to now click Custom. And we are going to call this a specific campaign. We're now going to give this campaign a name. We're going to select a specific audience. We're then going to click Begin. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure that there is a specific trigger. And this campaign is going to start one day after the person has been added. So what's going to happen is that the person is going to get the welcome email as soon as they join. And then one day after they've joined, they're going to get this second email. We're going to make sure that it's scheduled on any day of the week. We're not going to make sure that it's filtered by tag. We just want to make sure that when the individual is signed up with the list, one day afterward, they're going to get a specific message. And then we're going to not add in any post-send actions. Now what we could do is we could make it so that it becomes 2 days, or 7 days, or even 1 week. So we have full customization over the trigger date. Once we've done that, all we need to do then is to make sure that our email is going to be written. And so we're going to write in the identifying information. We're then going to click Next. We'll then choose our template and then write in our content. Once we've done that, we can then click Next. Once we've done that, then Mailchimp will ask us to confirm that we are ready to start our campaign. And basically now what's going to happen is that 1 week after the individual has received that welcome email, they're going to receive another email with a message that we want them to receive after the fact. Now it's possible that we may want to send another email or another series of emails after this one to the same audience. And we'll cover that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in that next video.